If you want to customize the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you want to open Settings, scroll down on the left side, and then choose Wallpaper and Style. Over here you can see the lock screen and the home screen, so you want to tap on the lock screen in order to start customizing it. And now over here we have a bunch of different options. For example, you can tap on the clock and you can adjust its size quite easily by grabbing by these corners. As you can see, we also have this menu where we have the font selection, so you can choose a different font. In some cases, for some fonts, you can adjust the thickness of the font. You can change the color as well. But besides that, we also have the style option, so you can change the clock face completely. We also have the weather information that can be enabled, and we can move the date to be above the clock. And besides the clock, of course, we also have widgets. You can tap on Add Widgets section in order to choose widgets that should be placed in the lock screen. So for example, you can choose stuff like device care, for example. You can have an optimization button. You can go to digital well-being in order to have the screen time visible on the lock screen, and so on and so forth. Of course, we can remove widgets quite easily as well. You just have to tap on the minus button that we have in the upper right side of the widget. Now, besides that, we have shortcuts or buttons on the lock screen, which are over here on the left and right side. You can actually tap on these buttons in order to adjust what should be on in that place instead. So if you don't want to have quicker access to the browser, you can switch that to D&D mode, let's say, or anything else. And you can also completely remove these buttons by choosing the No App option. And sometimes at the bottom we have additional settings that are related to the wallpaper. This actually depends on the type of wallpaper that you use. If you use one of these default wallpapers, then you have just variations that you can choose. And in some other cases, if you use your own image or picture or something, then in that case you might see some more options over there. And once you are done with all of these changes, you want to tap on the done in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.